Hi friends, this is Manoj. Welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Tricks. So today our topic is subpart in clocks, that is too fast and too slow clocks. So if a watch or clock indicates 8:15 and when the correct time is 8, it is said to be 15 minutes too fast. Similarly, on the other hand, if it indicates 7:45 when the correct time is 8, it is said to be 15 minutes too slow. So, if the actual time is 8 and if clock shows 8:15, then the clock is said to be too fast. And similarly, if the actual time is 8 and if the clock shows 7:45, then it is said to be too slow. So, that's all concept. We will look into few problems. Okay. In this first question, it is given as a watch gains uniformly is 5 minutes slow at 8 a.m. on Monday and it is 5 minutes 48 seconds fast at 8 p.m. on next Monday. When was it correct? So, on this Monday and next Monday. So, this Monday at 8 a.m. and next Monday at 8 p.m. So, at first Monday, it is 5 minutes slow. So, minus 5 minutes. And next Monday, it is 5 minutes 48 seconds fast. Let it be 5 plus 5 minutes and 48 seconds. So, the total time gap between this Monday 8 a.m. to next Monday 8 p.m. is, so the total time gap is 7 days and 12 hours. That is equal to, convert these into hours, that is 7 into 12 plus, so, for one day there will be 24 hours, 7 into 24 plus 12 hours. That is equal to, total time gap is 180 hours and the total time gain. So the total time gain will be this 5 minutes plus 5 minutes 48 seconds. That is 10 minutes 48 seconds. Because in this Monday it is 5 minutes slow and next Monday it is 5 minutes 48 seconds fast. The total time gain will be 5 plus 5, 10 minutes 48 seconds. So, convert this into minutes. That is 10 minutes plus 48 by 60 minutes. So, converting the seconds into minutes. So, dividing it by 60. So, 12 fourths and 12 fives. That is equal to 10 fives 50 plus 4. 54 by 5 minutes. So, for 180 hours, the total time gain is 54 gain is 54 by 5 minutes. So they are asking when was it correct. So at Monday 8 a.m. it is 5 minutes slow. It will be correct only when there is 0 minutes gain. 0 minutes gain means it will be correct time. So at starting it is 5 minutes slow. So to get 0 minutes gain, it has to gain 5 minutes. So for 180 hours, it has gained 54 by 5 minutes. So to get 0 minutes, it has to gain this 5 minutes. So the gain is 5 minutes. So let it be x hours. Cross multiply, that is 180 into 5 is equal to 54 by 5 into x. So x will be 180 into 5 into 5 by 54. That is equal to 180 into 25 by 54. So 180 into 25 is 4500 by 54. So x is equal to 4500 by 54 hours. So 54 and 4500. 54 8s, that is 432. 180. 54 3s, that is 160. So 54 3s, 4 3s 12, 5 3s 162. 180 minus 162, 18. So x is equal to 83, 18 by 54 hours. So convert 18 by 54 hours into minutes. So that is 83 hours into 18 by 54 into 60 minutes. 18 ones and 18 threes, 3 ones and 3 20s. So that is equal to 83 hours 20 minutes. So after 83 hours 20 minutes from Monday 8 a.m. It will show correct time. So after 83 hours means that is 3 days, and 3 days means 72 hours. 83 minus 72, 11 hours. After 3 days, 11 hours, 20 minutes, it will show correct time. So after 3 days means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So at Thursday, after 3 days, it will be Thursday 8 a.m. From 8 a.m. to again add 11 hours. Means 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. that is 12 hours. That means 7 hours 20 minutes. So at Thursday 7 hours 20 minutes it will show correct time. Okay. So in the second question it is given as a clock is set right at 5 a.m. The clock loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time when clock indicates 10 p.m. on 4th day? So let it be on this day and on 4th day. So on this day 5 a.m. to 4th day 10 p.m. Fourth day 10 p.m. So the total time gap is from this day to 4th day means there will be 3 days. So that is 72 hours. So after 72 hours it will be 4th day 5 a.m. So from 4th day 5 a.m. to 4th day 10 p.m. the gap is 17 hours. So the total time gap is 72 plus 17, that is 89 hours. So here it is given as the clock loses 16 minutes in 24 hours. So if it loses 16 minutes in 24 hours means 23 hours 44 minutes of this clock will be 24 hours of true clock. So convert this 44 minutes into hours means 23 plus 44 by 60. So 4 11s and 4 15s. So 23 into 15, that is 345 plus 11 by 15, that is equal to 356 by 15. So 23 hours 44 minutes means 356 by 15. So 356 by 15 hours of this clock is 24 hours of normal clock, that is true clock. Here this clock gained 89 hours. So 89 hours. Let it be X. So 356 by 15 into X is equal to 89 into 24. So X is equal to 89 into 24 into 15 by 356. So 89 ones and 89 fours. 4 ones and 4 6. So X is equal to 15 6, 90 hours. So after 90 hours of 5 a.m. it will be, after 90 hours means let us divide after 3 days and 18 hours. After 3 days and 18 hours means that will be at 4th day 11 p.m. So they have asked what will be the true time when clock indicates 10 p.m. of 4th day. So the true time is 4th day 11 p.m. Okay. So in this third question it is given as a clock is set right at 8 a.m. and the clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. What will be the true time when clock indicates 1 p.m. on next day? So this day and next day. So at this day 8 a.m. and next day 1 p.m. So the total time gap is 8 to 8, 24 hours plus 5 hours. So that is 29 hours. So the total time gap is 29 hours. Here it is given as the clock gains 10 minutes in 24 hours. Means 24 hours, 10 minutes of this clock is equal to 24 hours of true clock. So 24 hours, 10 minutes. Convert this into hours. Means 24 plus 10 by 60. So 24 6, 144 plus 1. That is 145 by 6 hours. So 24 hours, 10 minutes means 145 by 6 hours. So 145 by 6 hours of this clock is 24 hours of true clock. So this clock has gained 29 hours. So let us find, let it be x. So 145 by 6 into x is equal to 29 into 24. So x is equal to 29 into 24 into 6 by 145. So that equal to 4176 by 145. So convert this into mixed fraction. That equal to 28,116 by 145 hours. So convert this 116 by 145 hours into minutes. So that is 28 hours 116 by 145 into 60 minutes. That is 5 12s and 5 29s, 29 ones and 29 fours. That is 28 hours 48 minutes. So after 8 a.m. after 8 a.m. we should add 28 hours 48 minutes. So that will be the next day 12 hours 48 minutes. So the true time is the next day 12 hours 48 minutes. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.